Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, can you tell what we're doing? We're going to be doing a red and green holiday eye look. This is the look I came up with. I think it looks really good. I think it came out really good and is super wearable and super festive. So if you want to see how I got this look, make sure to keep on watching. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love to have you back here on the channel. Hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload. I'd love to have you around, so stick around. But without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so I have my hair pulled back and I'm going to be using a bunch of palettes today. So don't kill me, but there's going to be quite a few palettes used. I'm just going to go ahead and prime my eyeballs. The focus on today is going to be my eyes, so I'm going to eventually skip over the face makeup, but I will show you the completed look at the end. If you're interested in my face makeup that I'm going to be wearing, it's identical to the same products and style and reasons that I did for Thanksgiving. So I'll link that video down below if you want to see what face products I'm using. So I want to do a play on the red and greens because it's Christmas. So I'm going to go in to my trusty Naked Heat palette and I'm going to lay down a lot of the red tones. I'm going to start with this brown tone Sauced. You can use any kind of brown tone. We just want to get that down for blendability's sake, and it is pretty pigmented, so I want to blend that out because I don't want too much brown on the look. I'm gonna bring that up kind of high so it all looks kind of gradient, and it's Christmas glam, so of course we're going to be doing red and green. Another day, another video on my lunch break. All right, once that's blended out, you're going to go in with a red of your choice. I have a couple options in front of me. I think I'm going to start with this Natasha Denona palette. I think it's called the Peak palette. It was in my BoxyCharm. I'm going to take this super like fire engine red very lightly. And I definitely want it more red than orange. So I want to make sure I'm going in with a darker like burgundy type red at the end. I don't want it to read too orange. I need to get a new standing mirror so I can get like these handheld mirrors out of the shot. All right, once you have it more of like red base, it's still kind of pulling kind of orange. So I'm definitely gonna go in with a deep dark red. Y'all know I'm obsessed with the color switch, so I gotta, you know, clean that bad boy off. On a smaller brush, I am gonna go into this palette and I'm gonna take this deep red right here. If you're using this palette, it's called En Fuego, and I'm going to put that in the crease and the outer corner. This is going to be a super easy look. It's not going to be too complicated, and so long as you have a red and a green, you'll be able to recreate this look. Definitely more Christmas, but I'm still not digging the color. I don't know. It looks like brown on camera, but it is like a deep brick red. I mean, I don't hate it. Definitely don't hate it. I'm gonna do the other eye and I will be right back. When you've got that red built up to how you desire, which I'm just gonna go on record and say I love how this looks. It is reading a little bit brown on camera, but it is a brick red. I'm just gonna go in with an empty brush and blend everything out. That way I have a seamless blend. Now, it's not a Christmas glam without glitter. So take your favorite glitter. I'm going to take this glitter in the Mulan palette by Colourpop. And I'm trying to decide. I'm actually going to take this super intense like hot fire flames and tap that over my eyelid. But first, I'm going to have a bite of my salad. I am on my lunch break. Gotta respect the grime. Let's just talk about my salad. I hate salad dressing of any kind. So, in some people's opinion, it's very dry. It's just chopped like cabbage and kale and lettuce. And like there's little pieces of grilled chicken in it, a couple of croutons, cucumbers, and carrots. And that's it. Let's continue. Delicious. I'm going to take that super intense glitter red and oof, love it. I love to use my fingers for these pressed glitter shades by Colourpop. I just feel like there's less fallout. I have more control of where it's gonna go. Ho ho ho. This is so super easy too. You could do this the morning of for great pictures, and it's still very wearable. We're gonna add a pop of green on the lower lash line to kind of give it that little like pizzazz, but super easy. Just go back in and re-blend that outer corner color together with the glitter. Super simple, super easy. I'll see you when I'm done. That eye. That is it for the upper eye, the eyelid, and I love it. I think it looks so stunning. Ooh, I love how everything just blends together. It is reading a little bit more super warm than I wanted. I was hoping for like a more burgundy look, but I know you can't tell on camera. As I say in every video, I'm working on getting a camera, but I think it's pretty nice. All right, and right when I come back, of course, the heat kicks on. Full face done. Eyebrows, bronze, blush, highlighter done. Let's move on to the under eye. So like I said, I want some drama, I want some Christmas drama. So I'm gonna go into the Just My Look palette by Colourpop. I'm gonna start with Kiss My Hash, this green right here. And I'm just getting it on a pencil brush, and I'm going to add that green right to my under eye. And don't be shy with this. If you're shy, it's gonna look like unintentional. Like you want them to know the green, like the green's there, you know? And just blend. You can take a clean brush, which I'm gonna do, and just blend it out. On a super teeny tiny pencil brush, I'm going to go into the shade Darker right here. It's called Act Natural. And I'm basically just going to get that right on the lashes. Do not take this down far. Go back in with your first brush with just a little teeny bit of the first green and blend it. It's going to look a little crazy, which I am aware that it does. What's going to help is lashes and liner. So take a black, anybody see that? Take a black eyeliner and just get that waterline. Now do the same on this eye, or the other eye. Once you're here, take your inner corner and highlight shade. I'm just using my highlight on my face, which is Benefit Cookie, and just get those inner corners. You definitely want to bring some brightness there because that green can make it look kind of dark. Put some lashes on and we'll be back for the end of the video. All right, I added a lip color and I am done. This is my Christmas look, a nice fiery red lid with a hint of green down on the lower lash. I think it came out really nice. This is my first time doing this. This is not a go-to look by any means. Not something that I would normally wear, but it is super wearable and it looks really nice. I know the camera's washing it out a little bit and these natural lights that I'm struggling to work with aren't on my side, but I will add some pictures. Follow me on Instagram to see what it really looks like and some good lighting. And yeah, tag me in anything that you do that looks like this. I think it's super pretty, super wearable, and looks so good in pictures. It's a little bit of festive, you know, like a little festive. If you're not getting together with anybody for your holidays because of the state of the world right now, please reach out to me. I'll chit chat with you through the day. I do not mind. Don't want anybody to be bored and lonely on Christmas, but I understand not everyone's gonna have a normal Christmas this year. That being said, I do hope everybody has a good holiday season. And thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You know the drill. I'd love to have you back here on the channel. But that's it for this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.